Alright, welcome to my channel. This is going to be about something that VANPO sent me. So let's get into it. Alright, here we go. Hope the lighting is okay. As you can see, it's a digital torque wrench. I don't know anything about it. So let's get this opened up and check it out. Okay. I got the package opened, or got it out of the package. So I'm going to open it up here and show you what we got. Let me see if I can get this camera to look down here. This is how it came. And it sure is a little dude, ain't it? Now let's get this. Came with a little screwdriver. Ain't quite sure why. Of course, came with batteries. Book. And the torque wrench. I'm hoping you can see this good. As far as it being a torque or a ratchet, seems pretty good. Okay, I got it out of the package and everything. Got the batteries put in it. Now I know why it came with the Phillips screwdrivers, because you got to take this little tiny screw and this little screw right there out, which could be a pain in the butt if you're going to take the screw or the batteries out when you're not using it, and I will be. Now I gotta say, it's a little bitty dude, but it's pretty heavy, if that means anything. I'm going to hold up the paperwork that it came with and show you that. Or better yet, maybe at the end of the video I'll hold the camera over the paperwork. Like I said, I don't know anything about this. Right now it's in Newton meters. Probably should read and see what it does. There's inch pounds. It does foot pounds. Let's see. It must have been as high as it goes in foot pounds. 44 and a quarter. I guess you can see that. And as far as foot pounds, and it goes all the way down to 2.21. Let me see. Not going to worry about foot pounds. Goes up to 531 inch pounds. I mean, we're not going to worry about Newton meters. It only goes down to 26 and a half inch pounds. To 531 inch pounds. Yes, as you can see right there, that's the company name. I guess you can see somewhere on there. Right there, I guess. Now, let me get the camera down and I'll show you a little closer up. 27. Turn it to where that little ball's not in the vise. Yeah, I may need to read up on this a little bit because it ain't really. There's 25, 26. There's 27 that went over. So let me get the paperwork and check this out a little bit better. Okay, can you see that? I'm hoping you can anyway. I got it set to 8 foot-pounds. See, when you get close to it, the green light does come on. And then when you get at it, exactly, the red light comes on, and then of course, you know, it'll stay on, keep beeping if you go over. So, and yeah, I was doing it wrong. After you set the torque, you got to hit the C to start. It's very sensitive. I like it though, but I mean, it's awful little. But I mean, you know, it don't go up very high anyway. So let's go back over to the toolbox and talk about it some more. Okay, like I said, it is very sensitive. It seems to be pretty good though. I mean, as you can see, it's kind of bulky. But you know, all torque wrenches are about this size where the electronics is at. It just doesn't have very much from here out to the end like most of them, you know. But I guess it don't need it because it don't go up that high in foot-pounds or inch-pounds anyway. Now this is not, that's weird, I don't know what just happened with the light. This is not for torquing something up real high torque. It's just for small light stuff. Like, well, I think the paperwork says it's for motorcycles and bicycles. I don't know why you would need to torque anything on a bicycle, but you do need to torque stuff on a motorcycle. So this would have came in handy the last time I was working on a Harley. But anyway, that's about all I got for this one. It's pretty neat. And of course, you know, just like everything else, if I have any problems with it or if it don't work out, I will let you know. So, oh, and they did send me this. I did not buy this. They sent it to me to do a review on. So thank you very much, VANPO. It's pretty awesome. That's all I got for this one. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.